How to use Elon Musk Grok 3 for free. Let's get started. First, you can download this app. You can get this app easily from the App Store, or also you can use the web version of it. If you want to use the web version, you can launch your preferred browser and then type in Grok AI. Then you'll need to navigate to this one website, x.ai. You'll be directed to the official website of it. Click on Try Now. Then you can use your X account or you can use your Apple ID or Google account and sign in. After you sign in, you will be directed to this page. Now click on this drop down and select Grok 3. With that, you have just enabled Grok 3. Grok 3 is its latest AI model designed to enhance reasoning and problem-solving capabilities. Grok 3 incorporates advanced reasoning abilities, allowing it to process complex problems more effectively. The model was trained using 10 times more computing resources than its predecessor, Grok 2, leveraging xAI's Colossus data center, which houses approximately 2 lakh GPUs. Grok 3's training dataset includes a wide range of sources such as legal filings to enhance its knowledge base. xAI claims that Grok 3 outperforms OpenAI GPT-4 and DeepSeek's V3 in areas like mathematics, science, and coding. The model has achieved an ELO score of 1402 in the chatbot arena, indicating leading performance in both academic benchmarks and real-world user preferences. So here you can provide a prompt. Then click on this arrow. Within seconds, it's gonna provide you the response. Likewise, you can also enable deep search as well as think. Also, you can click on this plus icon and use photos like this camera files to search for anything. So this way you can easily use Elon Musk Grok 3 for free. If this guide helped you out, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.